Is it the right time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? Today, we're delving deep into NVIDIA, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than before. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has ranked NVIDIA as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. To our surprise, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 50.52% since we first recommended buying NVIDIA 28 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.8% since it was labeled as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken through a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there will now be support at the previous trend level of $677.36, which could provide a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $761.25, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 57.66% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 26.61% and 44.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 118.79% change over the next year, with a potential return between 51.03% and 94.21%. This means the price could range from $1,116.09 to $1,435.20 after 1 year. Our latest update on NVIDIA includes the following headline: NVIDIA stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the NVIDIA stock price increased by 2.46%, going up from $721.28 to $739. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 3.19% fluctuation, reaching a low of $719.38 and a high of $742.35. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 20.11% increase over the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 10 million on the last day, with a total of 50 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $36.96 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $746.11, while the lowest price was $204.21. As of now, the current price is 0.95% or $7.11 below the 52-week high, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, Susquehanna gave NVIDIA a positive rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave NVIDIA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, February 5, 2024, Wells Fargo gave NVIDIA a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Wedbush gave NVIDIA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave NVIDIA a strong buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given NVIDIA stock a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratios as excellent, both receiving a strong buy rating. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts are also bullish, giving the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock is showing positive signs according to both short and long-term moving averages. This suggests a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, the stock will find support at $711.96 and $593.16. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 55.35% increase so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the stock experienced a decrease in volume during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently indicating a buy signal. Pivots, this signal indicated a buy 30 days ago. Bollinger, the buy signal was observed 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, this signal showed a buy 29 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was detected 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, this signal indicated a buy 71 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 61 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA has found support from accumulated volume at $722.48. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, making it a higher risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. In the past day, the stock's price has fluctuated between a high and low of $22.97, representing a 3.19% change. Over the course of the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.63%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, it's important to review some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on, the upcoming Q1 2024 earnings report is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.51. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. As we analyze the stock, we can see that there are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume above its current price. This suggests that under the right conditions, NVIDIA's stock could experience a swift upward movement. It's important to pay attention to volume indicators to determine the optimal time to exit your position. On the downside, NVIDIA does encounter its first support level at $722.48. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders, as we anticipate a potential rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources is classified as strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Stevens Mark A. In total, Stevens bought and sold 71,648 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of -33.416. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased a total of 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $717.86, which represents a decrease of 2.86%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 82, further elevating the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal that was detected from a pivot bottom approximately 29 days ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? While NVIDIA does show some positive signals, we believe it is currently more suitable as a hold candidate or for accumulation, as we await further developments. Our analysis has downgraded this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate NVIDIA to open with a decline of $5.42, starting at $733.58. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there are risks involved. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us provides valuable information, but it's crucial to understand that you are responsible for your own choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're sharing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd also love to know what target you have in mind for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.